Good afternoon, my name is Christopher Smith from Anker Stuy Coatings. I am here today at the Axis plant where they make Accoya down in Arnhem in the Netherlands. I'm stood here with company director Anker Stuy and product development specialist from Axis, Anker Stuy. I got the name right. First of all, Emil, why is it so important that Anker Stuy Coatings works closely with Accoya?
Well, the timber technology that Accoya is offering is just a very excellent option combined with our wood coatings. So the combination ensures a long-lasting outdoor performance, gives us a safe choice towards our customers to say, you know, if you combine this timber with our coatings, you will be safe and you can offer an excellent option to your end customer.
As a coatings manufacturer, we try and work with the best timber available, and a lot of the time that is Accoya timber. But Anker, what makes Accoya so special? What makes it so good to use for making windows and doors?
Accoya is modified wood. So with modified wood, acetylated wood like Accoya, we can expect more dimensional stability and longer durability for the timber, which is not comparable to the conventional normal type of the wood that we have. So that's the difference between Accoya and other types of the wood.
Okay.
We're going...
Yeah, let's have a look around. So here we have the raw radiata pine that's imported from New Zealand. And then how does it work? It goes from this building into the reactors at the back?
So normally we have to sort out the timber based on the dimensions, the length, the thickness that we have. And this is what we do in our new stacker. Once the sorting is done, we have the bundle of the Accoya radiata pine normally, which we want to put it into our production process. But before that, we need to do a sort of pre-drying. We do the pre-drying in the other salon, which is located over there. And after pre-drying for a couple of hours, we take the boards into reactors. So we do acetylation within the big vessels, which is a process from 16 to 24 hours, depending on the thickness of the boards. And within acetylation, we have impregnation, pressure, application of high temperature, and a little bit of magic where we make this magic Accoya in our reactors.
So as you can see, the weather here is absolutely fantastic and perfect for testing how durable coatings are on wood. And this testing field here has been here since 2015.
So more than 9 years.
And Anker Stuy have been partnering with you since that period, from the very beginning. Yeah. So we've got a very good track record and we know exactly how our products are performing on Accoya. But we have something more to see. And here we have our newest addition to the outdoor testing field. And that's a window in an English style, painted with Anker Stuy Coatings, made entirely out of Accoya. This has been a really important project for us because for a long time we've wanted to show how British joinery performs out here, because there are slight differences with joinery from all over the world. But Anker, what exactly are you going to be looking for the next 15 to 20 years with this window?
Correct. Before answering your question, I should add that, you know, UK, beside the other market, UK is one of the most important markets for Axis technologies. And we're happy to have this UK style or English style window here, so we can have the real life experience testing in Arnhem. Just to answering your question, what we are going to look, we of course look at the coating performance on the surface of Accoya. We check if the coating is as good as today in, let's say, 1 month, 3 months, 6 months, up to 10 years, as we have seen from the other samples. So we want to make sure that your coating is performing good over the time on Accoya. And we check, for example, if there is a crack, hopefully not, because we have not seen this on Accoya, to be honest with you. We also check if there is a blistering, which should not be the case with your coating, I believe. And also in terms of mildew development, to see if we see this issue on this window or not. With other type of the wood than Accoya, we normally see water penetration into especially this corner of this part of the windows after a period of time. But with Accoya, this is not a problem. So if we check this after 6 months, 1 year, or even longer, we will see that there is almost no penetration of water, and then let's say the coating breakdown as a result of that with Accoya, which is the fantastic things of our product.
This is the first English style window that we've got on the test site, but why is it so important for you to see this live?
It's the first one in the Netherlands, actually. The difference with this window is that, of course, we have a lot of panels in the racking, but that gives, of course, a certain result. But this is the real deal. So this is a whole window glassed, constructed in an Accoya frame, and this will give us a good result in 5, 6, 7, 10 years time. Maybe I'm already retired when the window needs to be repainted. So ERW, it all started with a joke. ERW, we were walking around on this side, they said, look at all those Dutch windows, they don't look that well. I said, well, why don't you build an English one? So they came up with this one in a nice green color, and here we are. And we're gonna install it today, October 2024. Let's see, in 5 years time we do a first inspection, 10 years time a second one. Yeah, and hopefully by then the result is still good. I have full confidence it is. And yeah, we know from the results from all the panels that we have good results.